Welcome back to the Lilly Lectures. I am William Lilly, and today our exploration continues with houses 2 to 4 of the 12 houses of the heavens. Let us begin. The second house requires judgment regarding the wealth, fortune, and possessions of the person asking the question. It pertains to movable assets, borrowed money, profits or losses, and matters of gain or damage. In legal matters, it represents a person's friends or allies. In private duels, it signifies the second to the querent. During an eclipses or great conjunction, it indicates the poverty or wealth of the people. When the sun enters Aries, it represents the ammunition, allies, and support that the community or country will have, including their stockpiles. In terms of the human body, it represents the neck and the back of the neck towards the shoulders. As for colors, it is associated with green. Therefore, if a question relates to any of the matters mentioned above in this house, one should seek its significance from here. It is considered feminine and a succedent house, Latin authors also referred to as anaphora. Its co-significators are Jupiter and Taurus. If Jupiter is placed in this house or rules over it, it indicates a good estate or fortune. However, the Sun and Mars are never well positioned in this house. Either of them suggests the dispersion of wealth or resources, depending on the capacity and quality of the person who is either born or asking the question. The third house signifies siblings, cousins, relatives, neighbors, short trips or inland journeys, frequent relocations, correspondence such as letters and messages, as well as rumors and messengers. It rules over the shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. In terms of colors, it governs the shades of red and yellow, including hues like saffron or sorrel. The co-significators are the sign of Gemini and the planet Mars. This is one reason why Mars, unless joined with Saturn, is not fortunate in this house. It is a cadent house, and it brings joy to the moon. If the moon is posited in this house, especially in a movable cardinal sign, it indicates a tendency for frequent travel, bustling activity, or being rarely at rest. The house is masculine. The fourth house provides judgment regarding fathers in general, and specifically the father of the person inquiring or the person who is born. It signifies matters related to lands, houses, properties, inheritances, agricultural cultivation, hidden treasures, and the conclusion or outcome of any matter. It pertains to towns, cities, or castles, whether besieged or not. It represents ancient dwellings, gardens, fields, pastures, orchards, and the nature of the land one acquires, such as vineyards, cornfields, or barren terrain. The sign Cancer signifies the town, its lord, and the governor associated with it. The house rules over the chest and lungs. It is associated with the color red. Its co-significator is Cancer, and among the planets, it is associated with the Sun. It is referred to as the angle of the Earth or Imum Coeli. It is feminine and represents the north angle. In birth charts or questions, the house represents fathers. The Sun during the day and Saturn during the night also represent fathers. If the Sun is placed in the fourth house, it is not considered unfavorable. Rather, it indicates that the father has a noble disposition or other positive qualities. And that is all for this episode. If you have enjoyed this exploration, show your cosmic love by hitting the like button and also share this celestial wisdom with your fellow stargazers. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lilly Lectures to ensure you never miss an episode as we navigate the heavens together. Until next time, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.